If you are a student and you are tired of asking for money or depending on allowance, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I will show you real websites students are using to make money online in 2026. So this is step by step, guys, on my screen. No hype, no scam. Let's start. So welcome back to this channel. Here we focus on legit way students can make money online using just a phone or laptop. So if that sounds useful, hit the like button and subscribe. Now let me show you the first method. Right, the first way students are making money online is through freelancing. One of the easiest platforms to start with is Fiverr. You don't need to be an expert. Students are earning by offering simple service like typing, Canva design, social media captions, AI prompts, and rating. To get started, create a free account, set up your profile, and create a gig. Once someone order your service, Fiverr handle payment for you. So this works globally and students can earn in dollars. Right. The second method is doing simple online tasks like websites like Microworkers and SproutGigs pay students for small tasks. These tasks include testing app, following accounts, surveys, and data check-ins. You don't need any skills, just time and consistency. Payments are usually sent through PayPal, crypto, or gift card, depending on your country. The third way students are making money online is affiliate marketing. This means promoting digital products and earning commissions. You sign up for free, pick a product, copy your affiliate links, and promote it on social medias or WhatsApp. Anytime someone buys through your link, you earn money. This method works even while you are in school. Another legit option is written online. Platform like Medium pays writers based on how many people read their articles. So if you enjoy reading or sharing ideas, this is a long-term income skills. So these are real ways students are making money in 2026. I will be breaking each down website step by step in future videos. Subscribe so you don't miss them, and comment student if you want the next